Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to embed your video using FastPix's free video player on any web page. We'll cover two methods. First, the web component, and then the frame. By the end, you'll have a video playing on your site in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. The only thing you need from FastPix is your playback ID, and the dashboard hands you the embed code, ready to copy. So first, let's grab your playback ID. From your dashboard, go to Media and click the video you want to embed. On the Overview tab, you'll see the playback ID right there. Copy it. That single string is what tells FastPix which video to stream onto your page. Now click the Integrate tab on the left. This is where the dashboard generates ready-to-paste embed code for you, with your playback ID already filled in. We'll start with Method 1, the FastPix Player web component. At the top, you'll see using FastPix Video Player. This is the snippet you want. It's 2 pieces, a script tag that loads the FastPix Player from our CDN, and a FastPix Player custom element. That's the actual video on your page with your playback ID baked in. Click the copy icon, paste it into your HTML, save, and refresh. There's your video, fully responsive with adaptive bitrate streaming, HLS playback, and full HTML5 video controls built in. Now, Method 2, the frame. Scroll down the same page to the Embed Video section. Maybe you're on a CMS, a page builder, or a no-code platform like Webflow or WordPress and can't add a script tag to your site. The frame is your answer. And frame is just a window, a piece of HTML that lets you drop another web page inside your own. So instead of loading the player as a script, you're embedding a fully hosted FastPix Player page directly into yours. Same video, same player, 0 script tags. Works anywhere HTML goes. And right here on the dashboard, you can customize the player before you copy a single line. Toggle autoplay, muted, loop, hide controls, or set an aspect ratio. Pick your accent color, primary color, and secondary color. Watch the live preview update on the right as you go. Once it looks right, copy the frame snippet, paste it into your page, and you're done. That's the any web page part. It really is anywhere. 2 ways to embed. 1 player. Now you've got a video playing on your site. But the thumbnail is what makes someone click play in the first place. In our next video, we'll cover custom thumbnails and animated GIF previews. The link to that video, our guide for this topic, and our full API reference are below for further perusal. Try it free at fastpix.com and ship video fast today.